Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make some spooky haunted houses. When you're done rolling it, cut into squares. I'm gonna make a little haunted door now. I made these cutters. You can use whatever you want to make a door. Smooth the sides out so it looks a little better, and you're good to go. Place it on your little house. I'm using this for the roof. You can use whatever color you like. I like the browns. You can use whatever tool you have available to make little lines on your roof. That's up to you. This one a lot of people have, so that's why I used it. Be careful when you're doing this to not put dents in the house itself, only the roof. I'm going to use this X-Acto knife to create lines for my house. Do not press hard, because if you press hard, you're going to cut it. I do this just a very little bit. So your bricks for your house or stonework, you want to do every other line all the way up. Roll some black clay to go around the edges of your little windows that we're going to place on here. You can buy these on Amazon or eBay. I believe that they are something to do with wires. Anyway, you can buy them and then you can shape them with pliers, whatever shape you want. I did these in little ovals. Time for flowers. I bought these on Amazon. They were super cheap. They're called fondant cutters for cakes and icing. Always make sure when you're doing earrings that you do a mirrored image. So always do opposite of the first one. the fun thing about handmade earrings is they don't have to look so perfect. I like the fact that handmade earrings looks handmade. So if it's not like the perfect shape, it's okay, because that's what gives it its character. Sorry about the noise. I had my window open to get some fresh air in here. Time to add some Too Faced eyeshadow. Once you bake it, it stays on. Time for the spooky ghosties. I forgot to film the part where the eyes are black, so I just put a little bit of acrylic paint in it. Like, comment, and subscribe for more art-related content. Until next time, see you later!